My name's Mr. Parker. I teach heating and air conditioning, HVAC/R for ventilation. Heating and cooling is what I teach. I also emphasize on making you a better person. I know everybody's not going to be doing heating and cooling the rest of their life, so I try to make it a rounded class. Hand tools, some book work, a lot of math. I also have adults in my class. They go for a full year along with other students, juniors and seniors. We do welding, brazing, soft soldering, PVC, a lot of duct work, more hands-on than most classes. We spend about 80% of the time in our shop and not in our classroom. With this class, I can guarantee any student that passes their OSHA 10, their EPA 608, I can guarantee them a job outside of high school, starting between $15 an hour and $20 an hour. That is from industrial refrigeration, commercial refrigeration, residential refrigeration. I have students that are traveling, making $40 an hour after a year after school. All you have to do is a little bit of effort, more of a lot of effort, show up on time, and you're good.